is Teacher Melody. I hope you're doing well today. Welcome to What Khaenai School's Math and Science video lessons. Hello everyone! For today's video, we are going to study about changes in matter. Last time, we studied about the states of matter, and we know that matter is anything around us, anything that we see and anything that we touch, that we can touch. And we also learned that there are three states of matter. These are solid, liquid, and gas. Very good. So today, we are going to study about the changes in matter. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, so, my first question. How does matter change? How does matter change? Okay, so matter can have physical or chemical change. So if I ask you a question, how does matter change? Okay, so the answer would be matter can have one, physical change and chemical change. Okay, can you say it with me? Okay, say physical change. Good. Chemical change. Good job. Okay, so I will give you an example of that change. Okay, so for example, we have here for the physical change. I have a whole lemon. Okay, after that, I will slice the lemon, and then after that, after slicing the lemon, you will have slices of lemon. But as you can see, nothing happens. It's just the same. After you slice the lemon, you still have the lemon, right? Okay, so that is an example of a physical change. Okay, how about the other one? Chemical change. Okay, I have here a log, a wooden log, a wood log. And then after that, I will burn it with fire. Okay, so after that, okay, the log is getting burned. What will happen? It will become an ash, a pile of ash. So as you can see, in a chemical change, after all what happened, the log will change into an ash. So we can say that there is a new substance form. Okay, there's new substance form. So here's the difference. In a physical change, it's just the same here, same substance, nothing's form. Okay, and then on the chemical change, there's a new substance form. Okay, you understand? So physical change, same substance. In a chemical change, new substance. Okay, understand? Okay, good job. So let's move on. Okay, here we will get to know first what is all about physical change. So my question, how does physical change happen? How does physical change happen? Okay, the answer, it happens when the size, the color, and the shape change, but no new substance is formed. See? So, how does physical change happen? Okay, can we read it together? Okay, ready? substance? Yes, okay. So the size, the color, the shape change, but no new substance is formed. And we can also say that a physical change is reversible or irreversible. Okay, here reversible means like it can go back to its original form, go back, while irreversible means you cannot return or cannot go back to its original form. Okay, so for example, we have here a picture. We have this word. Can you say it with me? Melting. Melting. Good. Okay. Next, we have here boiling. One more time. Boiling. Good. Another one, we have shredding. Again, shredding. And the last one, we have chopping. Again, chopping. Okay, so this one, the melting, boiling, shredding, and chopping are all in a physical change. Okay, so we will get to know all about these changes on our next slides. Okay, so next we have I'm gonna give you an example. Okay, the one we had before. So first example is melting of ice. Can you say it with me? Melting of ice. Go. Okay, good job. So here, first, let's go back to state of matter. What state of matter is an ice? An ice. Remember? Okay. Ice it's solid, right? It's solid. And remember, melting of ice, so it will melt. So the ice will turn or become into water, okay? And what type of or what kind of state of matter is water? Correct, it's liquid. Okay, so let's go to the change. Okay, what happened to ice and then it becomes water, right? So here, what kind of change happened in melting ice? Okay, what kind of change happens in melting ice? Is it a physical change or chemical change? So remember, no new substance formed. So it's still water, right? So the answer is melting ice is a physical change. This time, I'm going to show you some examples of physical change. The first one, we have melting of ice. Can you say it with me? Okay, so let us see. We know that ice is, what state of matter is it? Correct, it's solid. And if change happens, it will turn or it will become water. Yes, and water is liquid. Correct. So the change from ice to water or from solid to liquid is a physical change. So our question would be, what kind of change happens in melting of ice? So I will do the question and you will answer. So the answer would be melting of ice is a physical change. Okay, can you do it with me? Okay, very good. And do you remember about reversible and irreversible? Meaning can go back or cannot go back to its original form. So how about melting of ice? Is it reversible or irreversible? Okay, it is reversible. Yes, it is reversible. Okay. Can you say it with me one more time? It is. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, so let's have more examples on physical change. Okay, next picture we have cutting off hair. Cutting off hair. Can you say it with me? Okay. Question. What kind of change happens in cutting of hair? Okay, let's see the answer. Cutting of hair is a physical change. Yes. And is it reversible or irreversible? Cutting of hair. Are you sure? Okay, the answer is it is irreversible. One more time. Okay, good. So let's have more examples. Okay, freezing of water. One more time. Freezing of water. Again. Okay, good. Question. What kind of change happens in freezing of water? What kind of change happens in freezing of water? Okay, that is freezing of water is a physical change. Okay, and another question. Is it reversible or irreversible? Let's see. It is reversible. One more time. Okay, very good. And okay, let's have one more example. Peeling an orange. Okay, so question is, what kind of change happens in peeling an orange? Yes, peeling an orange is a physical change. Okay, again. Okay, very good. And is it reversible or irreversible? Okay, let's see. It is irreversible. Again. Very good. So that is all about physical change. Okay. Another type of change in matter is chemical change. Chemical change. Can you say it with me? Good. Okay, so our question is, how does chemical change happen? How does chemical change happen? Okay, the answer is, it happens when there is a chemical reaction that produces new substances. Okay, so this is the word now. Chemical reaction. Can you say it to me? Okay, and that chemical reaction, when there is chemical reaction, it will produce new substance. Okay, so for chemical change, you just remember it will produce new substance. Okay, and speaking of new substance, so we can say that a chemical change cannot go back to its original form. So we can say that chemical change is irreversible. One more time. Okay, so let's have more examples of chemical change. Okay, we have burning wood. Okay, burning wood. So the question, what kind of change happens in burning wood? So is there a chemical reaction there? Yes, with fire, right? And then after that, it will produce a new substance. It will become ashes, right? So we can say that burning wood is a chemical change. Okay, can you say it with me? Okay, and it's already an ash. It's already an ash, so we can say that burning wood is irreversible. Okay, so more examples. We have rusting nails. Again, rusting nails. Can you say it with me? Okay, so question is, what kind of change happens in rusting nails? Okay, yes, rusting nails is a chemical change. Okay, one more time. Okay, and rusting nails is irreversible because it's chemical change. Yes. Another example, we have, okay, rotting mango. Again, rotting mango. One more time. Question, what kind of change happens in rotting mango? Yes, rotting mango is a chemical change. Again, and rotting mango is irreversible. Okay, all happens in chemical change are irreversible. I think this is the last one. Baking bread. Okay, so baking bread, what kind of change happens in baking bread? Okay, yes, baking bread is a chemical change. One more time. Very good. And baking bread is also irreversible. It is irreversible. One more time. Okay, so there you have it. This is all about the changes in matter. So, okay, let's have a review. You will answer physical change or chemical change. Okay, here. Freezing of water. What kind of change happens in freezing of water? Correct. Okay. Freezing of water is a physical change. Okay. And how about what kind of change happens in burning wood? What kind of change happened in burning wood? Correct. Okay. Burning wood is a chemical change. Okay, last one. Is burning wood reversible or irreversible? Are you sure? Okay, correct. Okay, so burning of wood is irreversible because it's in chemical change. Chemical change are irreversible or is irreversible. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something today, and after this you need to work on your worksheets, and for this topic you need to identify if it's physical change or chemical change. So that's it, and hope to see you on our next video. Goodbye.